Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox's too many attempts error. This common message can be frustrating, but don't worry, we'll go over several easy-to-follow steps to help you resolve it quickly. We'll start with the basics and move on to more advanced solutions, ensuring you can get back to enjoying your favorite games without unnecessary delays. Our goal is to provide a clear, simple guide for everyone experiencing this issue. Let's begin by understanding why you might see this error. Often, it's due to multiple rapid login attempts or a temporary network glitch. First, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable. A quick restart of your router and device can often clear up minor connectivity problems. Also, double-check your username and password for any typos. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective in getting you back into the game. If the initial steps didn't work, let's try some deeper solutions. If you're playing through a web browser, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can often resolve the problem. You might also consider switching to a different browser or using the dedicated Roblox application. Additionally, temporarily disabling any VPN or proxy services could help, as they sometimes interfere with connection attempts. Always check the official Roblox status page for any widespread server issues. Finally, if the error persists, it's often best to wait for a short period, typically around 15 to 30 minutes, before attempting to log in again. This allows the system to reset. You might also consider changing your Roblox password to ensure your account's security and to clear any potential locks. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support directly. They can provide personalized assistance to get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.